Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. Before you install a major Windows update, tweak system settings, or install new drivers, there's one thing every Windows 11 user should do first: create a system restore point. It only takes a minute, and it could save you hours of troubleshooting if something goes wrong. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a restore point in Windows 11 and how to use it later if your PC runs into problems. Let's get started. Step 1. Open System Restore Settings. First, click the search icon on your taskbar and type Create a Restore Point. When it appears in the search results, click to open it. This will take you directly to the System Protection settings. Step 2. Enable System Protection. If System Protection is already enabled, you can skip to the next step. If it says off, select your system drive, click Configure, choose Turn on System Protection, then click Apply and OK. Without this setting enabled, Windows cannot create restore points. Step 3. Create a restore point. Now click the Create button. Give your restore point a name that's easy to recognize. I recommend using the current date along with a short description such as Before Windows Update, Before Driver Installation. Once you've entered a name, click Create. Windows will now generate the restore point. This usually takes less than a minute. When you see the message confirming that the restore point was created successfully, click Close. Step 4. Verify your restore point. To make sure everything worked correctly, click System Restore. Select Next, and you'll see a list of available restore points. Your newly created restore point should appear in the list. This confirms that Windows has successfully saved a recovery snapshot of your system. Why this matters? If a future update, driver, or software installation causes problems, you can return your PC to this restore point and undo those changes without affecting your personal files. It's one of the easiest and most effective recovery features built into Windows 11. And that's how you create a system restore point in Windows 11. It's a simple step that can help protect your system and make recovery much easier if something goes wrong. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.